Hello friend, I'm so excited to share with you today the Miniverse Back to Hogwarts collection. As soon as they were available on the MGA website, I ordered a set of 12 and here they are. This collection does have pinholes. These are marks made at the MGA factory so they know what they're packing in each case for shipment. And although part of the fun of collecting them is the surprise of what might be inside, the pinholes are a great way to help identify which part of the collection is inside the kit. I'll provide a pinhole guide later in this video, and I'll also put a link in the description where you can download a PDF of the guide for your own use. This video is to show you the pinholes that I have found. There are no guarantees. You might have different results, but this has proven to be a pretty reliable method. All of the pinholes are going to be in this area of the wrapper that shows 3 of the kits. It shows the Baby Mandrakes, Hermione's Classroom Set, and Baby Norbert. So here's our first ball, and the pinhole on this one was kind of hard to see. This pinhole I found at section where Hermione's Classroom is shown. I always say if you can unzip this all in one go, you get to make a wish. Oh, well, not this time. As we take off the inner wrapper, you'll see the ball, and Miniverse really went the extra mile with the ball. It has the Hogwarts coat of arms, and it looks like the walls of the castle on the outside of the ball. Inside each kit is the instruction manual and the Read Me First manual. I always recommend Read Me First because there is important information inside that little booklet. On one side of the instruction sheet, Miniverse gives you pictures of all 12 of the collector's kits. There's 3 for Quidditch, there's 4 for Hogwarts Essentials, there's 3 that are the magical creatures, there's 1 for herbology and 1 for divination. That makes your set of 12. Apparently, this collection does not have any rares that are going to be released. And remember where we found the pinhole? Well, it told you exactly what it was. This is Hermione Granger's class supplies. In all 12 of the kits, you're going to get the pieces you see here. You get the ball itself, and you get pieces to add to the ball, plus 3 pieces that make a table. I am sure I am not the first person that's going to say that the ball itself looks like the Death Star from Star Wars. Inside the yellow bag are 2 small feet. You pop the feet onto the balls and it helps keep it steady. There's a pretty arch that makes it look like it's from Hogwarts. And a half moon tabletop that just slides right into the slot there that gives you a table that you can put your finished piece. There's also a freestanding table, very simple to put together. And doggone it, why didn't they have this table when I was making my potions classroom? I had to go to the trouble of making my own table to the right scale, which I showed in my previous video. I would have liked to have had this little table instead. This is really cute. In this kit, there's a little box for Hermione, and when you open it up, it's got Hermione's Time Turner necklace, a feather quill to write with. These are part of the pieces for the Time Turner's necklace. And this is the handle for Hermione's wand. And they all fit nicely together in a pretty little presentation box. Inside the newsprint is a really nice hardcover book. Inside the pages are blank. I wish it had real writing on the outside and a real title. But let's take a look at what it's wrapped in. It's a copy of the Daily Prophet, and this one has blue ink. You'll see as we go along that some of the other kits have different colored inks, but it's still the same copy of the Daily Prophet. This is actually a long attachment for your resin so that it will help get the resin down inside the mold to make your wand. And inside the blue Hogwarts bag is the resin you'll use to make Hermione's wand and also a nice little applicator tip. Inside the Gryffindor colored bag, there's a wand stand, pretty sparkly powder that you can add into your mix so you can make it a little more magical, and the mold for the wand itself. Here's everything that you'll receive in Hermione Granger's Classroom Essential Kit. Our next pinhole can be found at the bottom right section. You can see it there pretty clearly. And looky here, I get to make a wish. This kit is for a Gryffindor scarf, and I think this is actually pretty cool. This is the stand or the loom that you'll use to make your scarf. You also have a sewing kit that has needle, it has the comb, and it has the little patches that you're going to add to your scarf. Inside the Gryffindor bag, you've got the scarf itself, which is already partially made for you. It's already got the loops ready. And here's the extra yarn that you will actually weave into the scarf to finish it off for yourself. Inside a burgundy colored Daily Prophet is a Gryffindor notebook. I love the graphics on this. It has blank pages so you can make that book into anything you would like it to be. And here's a look of everything that comes inside the Gryffindor scarf kit. The next pinhole is also by the Baby Mandrakes. This is at the top left corner. And we have the Nimbus 2000 in this kit. It has a very long attachment to put the resin into the mold in this one. Inside the little crate, oh, well, there's the Nimbus. And also the attachment that the broom handle goes into. Very detailed, it's really cool, and it does move. But look at the broom itself. It actually is covered in little tiny hairs. I didn't expect this. This was really a surprise, and it really goes to show the level of detail that Miniverse is willing to go to make these things look real. Inside the blue bag is the resin that you'll use to make the handle for your Nimbus 2000. And this bag has the mold for the handle itself. And you can see how long it is. And so they give you that attachment so you can make sure and get the resin all the way down to the bottom of the mold. Here's everything that you need to make your Nimbus 2000. Okay, this pinhole is almost off the charts. It is way to the top left of the baby Norbert on the label. I almost didn't find that pinhole. And when you open it up, it is in fact Baby Norbert. The first thing I saw fall out of the kit was this bucket. So let's see what's inside here. There are critters inside this bucket. There are 4 mice and 2 what I guess would be called salamanders, lizards or salamanders. And actually this is supposed to be Baby Norbert food. This is what you're gonna feed your baby Norbert. I think those are adorable. In this bag, if you push through, you can find the egg. And we open it up. And look at this. He is absolutely adorable. Come on, folks. That is cute as it can be. His little toes are all curled up around his body like he just came out of his egg. Well, he did just come out of his egg, didn't he? That is wonderful. In the green wrapping paper is a beautiful silver and gold plate, which is shockingly similar to the plate that you get in the rare sleeping draught cakes. In the blue bag is resin, and I guess you're supposed to make soup with your salamanders and your rats to feed to your baby Norbert. So these adorable pieces and the rest is the kit for the baby Norbert. The next pinhole is right in the middle, and it's to the top left of Hermione's classroom supplies. And here we have the Slytherin scarf. And you're going to notice these are the same pieces that were in Gryffindor. They're just in different colors. You've got the loom, the accessory kit, which is your sewing kit. It's got your needles, the comb, the patches that you'll add on to your finished scarf. Inside the Daily Prophet wrapper, there is a Slytherin notebook. Again, it's blank and you can fill in the pages with all your potions. And then you also get the same yarn and the same loopy scarf piece that you'll use to make your finished scarf. So here's everything you need for the green Slytherin scarf kit. I found this pinhole in the center also at the bottom right of Hermione's classroom supplies. It was a little hard to see. And this is Hedwig. And you're gonna love this one. This is Hedwig. He comes right out. He's quite detailed. His little wings move. His head moves. He's fully articulated, so you can pose him any way that you'd like. And look at the detail. Even the back is detailed. He's got his little spotted wings. Very nicely done. And even the box is cool. I love the graphics that Miniverse uses for their items, and this box is really, really cute. In this purple box, it says Owl Treats. When you open it up, it looks like birdseed. It's actually tiny pieces of plastic, but we can imagine that it's birdseed. Then there's a nice little presentation box that has a mold for your wax seals and envelopes and stationery for you to make owl mail. And it has the little Hogwarts logo. Inside the kit, you can see there's even letterhead that goes inside the envelopes. Very, very cute. Inside the red bag is an attachment that goes on the stand for Hedwig, and it holds the bowl that holds the birdseed. And inside the green wrapper, this is the stand, and it's really nicely done, very detailed, and Hedwig works perfectly on it, snaps right on. Inside the blue bag is the red resin that you can use to make your wax seals on your owl mail. And here's everything that comes with Hedwig. Our next pinhole is to the top right of the two baby mandrakes. And it is the Nimbus 2001, the newer version of the Nimbus. It again comes with that very, very long accessory to help get the resin down inside the mold. And inside this box is the other parts of the Nimbus. This broom is green at the bottom, and it has the hair just like the other one did. And then look at this fancy schmancy silver attachment to put your broomstick on. This is the resin that you'll use to actually make your broomstick. And the mold for the broomstick itself. Here's everything you need to make your Nimbus 2001. This pinhole is also by the baby mandrakes. It's on the bottom left corner. And inside is the Quidditch set. You've got the nozzle for your resin. Inside the box is the actual golden snitch. All the pieces are there so that you can create your own golden snitch. It's even got a little stand that you can display him on. Inside the green wrapper, look at this beautiful chest. And when you open it up, it's where you're going to put your quaffle and your bludgers. And inside the special Quidditch wrapping paper are all the accessories that go inside. Oh, well, of course, wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't drop everything. These are all the accessories that go inside your case. You've got your beater's bat, 2 bludgers, and a quaffle. And this is a close look at the wrapping paper. It's specifically for just this Quidditch set, and this is the only kit in this collection that has this special paper. You also will receive a sticker set so that you can decorate your Quidditch case. And these are the molds for the wings for the golden snitch. They're very, very thin, and it just has a little slit that you'll put the resin in. And there's the resin that you're going to use to make the wings for the golden snitch. Here's everything that you get in the Quidditch set. Quite a lot. Okay, this pinhole was a little hard to see. If you look at baby Norbert over on the lower right, it's in that little crevice in the little indentation there. And this is the divination set. Now this is a 2-piece set. My box got a little damaged in shipment, but it didn't hurt the inside at all. Look at the base of the crystal ball, the elephants, and it's hard to see, but there's actually a little bit of antiquing on them. This is the ball itself, and it turns upside down and nestles in between the elephants to make the crystal ball. Inside the Daily Prophet wrap is our tea set. And with the teacup, it's hard to see now, but apparently, according to the instructions, by adding a little bit of liquid inside, just water will do, you'll actually be able to see the grim in the bottom of this cup. And look at this. You get a lovely tin of tea. It's very Asian inspired, and it's just the graphics are so beautiful, almost an Art Deco kind of graphic. You also get a clear funnel, and the sparkly powder will be added to your crystal ball, which actually almost turns it into like a snow globe. This is the liquid for the crystal ball. I've never seen anything like this in any other Miniverse kits. It's almost an iridescent water. It's a really, really pretty color. And when you put that powder inside, it's really going to be beautiful, and it will really look magical. Here's everything you get in the divination set. This pinhole is a little hard to see, but it's at the bottom left of the baby Norbert. And this is the baby mandrake set. Apparently we're going to get 2. That is very cute. Inside the yellow bag with the feet for the ball is also a trowel that you can use to plant your baby mandrakes. Inside this box is the planter set. There are 2 terracotta pots, 2 different sizes that you'll be able to use, 1 for each mandrake. And inside this box are the very important fuzzy earmuffs, because you know those baby mandrakes, boy, they can do some squealing, and you got to have some earmuffs to protect your ears. You'll also receive potting mix, which is actually kinetic sand. And inside the sack, very unceremoniously, they have tossed in the baby mandrakes, but look at how cute they are. This is the bigger of the two. He's more developed. And there's the baby. Look at his big brown eyes. Oh, they are really cute. Look at the detail. Very, very nice. And I turned them around because I had to see, look at their little bum. Even the little bum is cute. I love these. They are so darling. And of course, if you have the mandrake that was the rare from the Harry Potter potions collection, then they're going to match perfectly. Here's everything that you get with your baby mandrakes. There are two kits that I am not able to show you today because I did not get them from MGA. The Monster Book of Monsters and Harry Potter's class supplies. I ordered 12 balls from MGA, but as we know, there's no guarantee, and so I didn't get a full set of 12. I got 2 duplicates. Here's a guide I created showing all 12 pinholes in the Harry Potter Back to Hogwarts collection as they were found in this video. To download a PDF of this guide, click on the link in the description below. And I highly recommend you check out the website miniminimo.co for additional information on pinholes as it becomes available. So please leave me a comment and tell me, which one are you the most excited about? Which one did you get that you were so thrilled to have? Is it Hedwig? Is it baby Norbert? Is it the baby mandrakes? Is it the Quidditch set? I mean, there's just so many to choose from. There are some wonderful pieces in this collection. Be sure to hit the like button so that other people can enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel if you would. I really appreciate it. And as always, happy collecting. Enjoy your Miniverse. I'll see you in the next video.